Welcome to another class of Art is Your Destiny. Today, we're going to draw a UFO with an alien inside it. Okay, so let's get started. First, we're going to draw a UFO. Then, we're going to draw an alien inside it. You could literally tell by this what I said before. Okay, let's draw a D. Just kind of a sleeping D, yeah. It's a D which is sleeping. Sleeping D, so don't judge him. Yeah, do not judge him. He's just sleeping. That's it. There. We're gonna draw something which is not a letter, definitely not. We're just gonna go behind it and make like that. There. Yeah, not too hard. Yeah. Gonna draw a curve. Make sure to attach it like a dot. Okay. Let's draw a little. I don't know how to explain it. Like a little rectangle top. Got that? Good. We're gonna draw, how to explain this? I have no idea. We're just gonna draw a curvy line, yeah, like that. Let's draw kind of slightly curvy line. Ta-da! That's it. Okay, you better catch up for this one. 3 dots. 1, 2, and 3. Exactly 3 dots. We're gonna draw 3 semicircles. 1, 2, and 3. Also known as 3 more sleeping D's. Okay, now we are going to draw the alien. We are gonna do 2 eyes. Now so 2 circles. Ta-da! 2 circles, exactly 2. That's it, just 2. Yeah, just 2 eyes, because aliens may have more than 2, but still, this one just has 2 eyes, just 2. Now, we are going to draw a tiny little dot in them for the pupil. We are going to draw a little curve which connects the dots and go down like that. Boom, boom, down. Okay, we shall make a smiley face like this. There. Now we will make it waving like this. Yippee, yippee, like that. Okay, now we will make 2 little lines like that to make it shiny. Ta-da! We are almost done. Now we are going to do something very simple. Do that, okay? Okay, you want to do it? Okay, good. You're good at it. Okay, now we are drawing a human, a little stickman human. Who is that? Screaming. So draw a circle. Draw tiny little dotties for the eyes. Draw them out like that. Now draw a little line down. Draw his arms. We're going to draw little lines to make it look like he's moving them crazily. Now, I'm going to draw his legs. Now, he's going to scream something out. There. It's really good. Also very good. There. Now we are drawing little lines to make it look more let's say realistic or something like that. Ta-da! We got that. That is really good. We are almost done. Now we just need to color. Okay, let's color. I'm gonna be using markers or twistables. Let's see. Yep, we're doing markers. I'm taking this now. Okay. Taking this now. I'm gonna take my marker bin. Okay, got that? Good. Okay, let's trace first. We're gonna use a Sharpie. Looks like this, in case you're from another planet. We're done. Okay, bye everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.